box, you know, and then you're gonna press save. So you're gonna go back out, guys, and I'm gonna save.
Glory, you would have more accept my appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing a video on how to turn off your subscriber. Yes guys, how to turn off your subscribers, because a lot of people want to know how to turn off their subscriber. So today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way how to turn off your subscriber. So yes guys, let's get into it. First you're gonna click on YouTube. This is how I do mine, and I'm using a Chromebook. Guys. Then you see the mouse here. I'm going down here. I go to your videos, and then from your video it's loading, guys. And you see you have your video. You're gonna come down here to settings. Then I go to settings. When you go to settings, guys, then you click on the settings right here. You're gonna see this come up, general, channel, and everything here. You're gonna click on channel. Okay, after you click on channel, you're gonna click on channel, then you're gonna click on advanced settings. I click on advanced setting here, guys. Then I'm gonna go by scroll down. So for those who don't know, and it asking you, this is actually not my personal account. I'm using like one of them ninjas. So this is the display the number of subscriber you have. You're gonna click this box, you know, and then you're gonna press save. So we're gonna go back out, guys, and I'm gonna see if this work, to see if we could actually see the subs on the outside. Okay guys, I have to go back out to make a comment on one of my videos so that I could show you. This is the account that I was using. I'm going to search for the account now. You see I show you the account I was using, guys, and we're gonna search for the account right now. Okay, so I'm actually using my official channel to search for it, guys. So it's in this, I just comment inside here, so it's right down here. So I'm gonna click on it, guys, and I'm gonna see. So at this moment, as you can see, you cannot see how many subs the person have. So actually it actually works. So it's very quick and easy, nothing hard to do. Let me go over the step with you guys one more time. Yes guys, so first you go into video. It's taking I go into video, you come down here, you come to settings, it's loading, guys. You're gonna come on channel, you click to channel, then you're gonna go to advanced settings. Alright, then guys, you wanna click and come down here. You bring down and you can realize this is off. Display the number. So if you want it to show, you're gonna click this box. If you don't want it to show, you're gonna make sure this box don't have a stick on it, meaning this. You're gonna make sure this is off. So it's supposed to be like this if you don't want your subscribers to show, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corey Goddard. Bye guys, I'm out.